Now we crochet the horn. Here I show you how to make a ring with 2 chains. It will be much easier than doing a magic ring. Make a slip knot first. Wrap your index and the middle fingers twice. Now we have 2 threads on the fingers. We pull the second thread to the front of the first thread. Then remove the first thread off your fingers. Pinch the remaining thread with your right hand and then pull the tail to tighten. A slip knot has formed. Put the hook into the loop. Pull the working yarn to make the hole smaller. We make 2 chains. Yarn over and bring yarn through the loop on the hook. 1 chain. 2 chains. Then we insert the hook in the middle of the first chain and crochet a single crochet in the first chain. Then crochet another 3 single crochet stitches in the same stitch. This is the first round of the horn. Then you will crochet single crochet in each stitch in round 2. According to the patterns, to crochet rounds 3 to 7. An increase is to crochet 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and a decrease is to combine 2 stitches to 1 stitch. When you finish this round, it will look like this shape. Leave some yarn for sewing and cut off the yarn. We put the horn on rounds 3 to 7, and we can use a plastic needle to fix the horn. Then we sew the horn to the body. Insert the needle into the body under the current stitch. And out of the body under the next stitch. Finally, hide the yarn tail into the body. Sew another horn in the same way. Now we will crochet the ears. We make a magic ring first. Wind the yarn. Make a loop. The tail is under the working yarn. Put the hook into the loop. Then yarn over and bring yarn through the loop on the hook. Use the hook to pull the yarn away from the fingers to adjust the loop size, so that the hook will through the loop easily later. Yarn over and bring yarn through the loop on the hook. Now a circle has formed. Pinch the left side of the large circle. Now we start to make the single crochet. Insert the hook into the large circle. Yarn over and bring yarn through the large circle. Yarn over and bring yarn through these 2 loops together. Button a marker in the first stitch. Then we continue to crochet another 5 single crochet stitches. Now 6 single crochet stitches have been done. The magical part. Hold the stitches we just made. Find the yarn tail and pull the yarn tail to tighten. This is the first round of the year. According to the patterns, to crochet rounds 2 to 3. An increase is to crochet 2 single crochet in the same stitch. When you finish these 2 rounds, it will look like this shape. Leave some yarn for sewing and cut off the yarn. Fold the ears. We can sew the first 2 corresponding stitches together. Then sew the ear on round 8 of the body. Finally, hide the yarn tail into the body. Now we crochet the nose. Make a slip knot first. Then we make 5 chains. Then we insert the hook in the middle of the second stitch from the hook. The loop on the hook is not counted as a stitch, so 1, 2. We will insert the hook in the middle of the second stitch. And then crochet a single crochet. Button a marker in the first stitch. Then crochet 3 single crochet in the next 3 stitches in turn. Find the next stitch just behind the big hole. Crochet 3 single crochet stitches in turn. After that, we crochet 3 single crochet stitches in the next stitch. We can see there are some loops on the other side. These are another half part of the chains. We will insert the hook into the loops. We crochet 3 single crochet stitches in the same stitch. Then crochet 3 single crochet stitches in the next 3 stitches in turn. Finally, we crochet an increase in the last loop. This is the first round of the nose. Then we crochet round 2. This pattern means we will crochet 3 single crochet in the next 3 single crochet stitches in turn, then crochet 3 increase stitches in turn, and we will crochet group 3 single crochet, 3 increase 2 times. When you finish round 2, it will be like this shape. Now we sew the nose to the body. Find a suitable position. Here I put the nose between rounds 9 to 13. You can use a plastic needle to fix the position. Then we start sewing. Step 1. Insert the needle into the body under the stitch where the yarn tail is in, and out of the piece under the next stitch. Step 2. From bottom to top. Go through the next stitch. Step 3. From top to bottom. Go through the next stitch. Repeat the steps to sew until you get back to the very first stitch. Now we are back to the first stitch. Then we can hide the yarn tail into the body. We use the black yarn to sew 2 nostrils on 2 sides of the nose. Now we crochet the hair. Make a slip knot first. Then crochet 7 chains. After that, crochet a slip stitch in the second stitch. The loop on the hook is not counted as a stitch, so this stitch is the second stitch. Yarn over and bring yarn through the hole. Then bring yarn through the loop on the hook. This is a slip stitch. Then we crochet the braids. Make 15 chains. Then we crochet 14 slip stitches from second stitch from the hook. After that, we do a slip stitch in the bottom. This is 1 braid. Repeat to crochet another 4 braids. Make 15 chains. Then we sew the hair on the head. And on rounds 2 to 4. Finally, we hide the yarn tail into the body. Now we crochet the leaf. We tie a knot first. Put the hook into the loop. Adjust the loop size. Then we crochet 7 chains. After that, we crochet half double crochet in the second stitch from the hook. The loop on the hook is not counted as a stitch, so 1, 2. Yarn over first. Insert the hook in the middle of the second stitch. Yarn over first. And insert the hook in the middle of the second stitch. Yarn over and bring yarn through the hole. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Adjust the loop size, yarn over and bring yarn through these 3 loops together. This is a half double crochet stitch. Crochet another 2 more half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Find the next stitch just behind the big hole. Yarn over first, and then insert the hook into the next stitch. Bring yarn through the hole. Bring yarn through these 3 loops. Crochet the third half double crochet. Then we crochet 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2. After that, we do 2 slip stitches in the next 2 stitches. Insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and bring yarn through the hole. Then bring yarn through the loop on the hook. This is a slip stitch. Then we do a slip stitch in the next stitch. Then we turn the piece over. After that, we crochet 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Finally, crochet 3 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. We can do a slip stitch in the first stitch. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Do a slip stitch. Leave some yarn for sewing and snip the yarn. Now we crochet 3 flowers. First, we tie a slip knot. Then make 5 chains. After that, we do a slip stitch in the first chain. Yarn over and bring yarn through the hole, then bring yarn through the loop on the hook. After that, we make 4 chains. Four. And then do a slip stitch in the very first chain. Repeat to do a slip stitch. Then repeat to crochet 3 more times. 4 chains. Do a slip stitch in the very first chain. Leave some yarn for sewing and snip the yarn. Then we will sew 3 flowers together. We can hide the shorter yarn for tail first. Insert the needle into some loops near the yarn tail. Through the yarn tail. Then we will sew the flowers and the leaf to the hat. You will sew the leaf on the right side of the hat, and then sew the flower before the leaf. You have finished your Highland cock crochet kit. Congratulations! You can follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and our website so that you can get the latest information and promotions. Follow us to not get lost. Looking forward to your new crochet work.